adjacent to.
Adjacent to.
You guys know what adjacent means?
No.
You sound like you know, very confident with pronunciation. What do you think it means? Can you guess? Adjacent. This box is adjacent to that box. Simple?
Very close.
They are the same.
Very close.
Or the same. They are the same.
Very close.
Next to. Who says? Yeah, next to. There you go. Next to or beside or close to. Okay. So you are adjacent to this young man. Okay. So that's an example. Adjacent to. Okay. So it's a good way to describe things. Or my house is adjacent to the post office. Okay. That'd be terrible to live near a post office. But anyway, parallel to.
Parallel to.
Vertical line.
Vertical line.
Okay, so vertical is from top to bottom, right? Vertical. Horizontal line.
Horizontal line.
Yeah. I'll tell you a funny joke. Sometimes if you have someone really short, what do you call a really short person? We say midget, yeah, short person. You can also say vertically challenged. Yeah, like it's a challenge because they're not too tall, so vertically top to bottom. Very funny. If you don't laugh, it's okay, but you can say it's kind of mean. It's not so nice. You can say, he's vertically challenged, but I didn't teach you that. Okay, so these are some basic vocabulary words. So we have a simple box. And if I asked you to draw a box, I'm sure most of you could draw something like that, yeah? A box, 4 corners. Now, what do we have here?
2 boxes.
Yes, 2 boxes. So, if I asked you to describe exactly what we had here, what could you say?
The left box is adjacent to the right box.
Yeah, that would be one way. Good. Yes. What other way could you do? So you have 2 boxes. You could say both boxes are what? The same, yes.
Is that why?
Yeah, okay. There was another, we didn't talk about this word, but you could say side by side. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Or one box is parallel
Yes.
Yeah.
to the other box. Yeah? Okay. Any other ways?
Square shape.
They're square shaped, yes, they are square shaped, good, yeah. They're boxes, so they're squares.
Empty.
Okay. So, but if you just say we have 2 boxes, you could have 1 box here and 1 box here, you could have 1 box here and 1 box here. So there are 2 boxes, but there's a way to properly describe them. So this box is what? Adjacent to this box, or to the right of this box. Okay, or this box is to the left of this box. So there's different ways to describe it. So let's move on. How would you describe that? So imagine you have a friend, you want them to draw this picture, but they can't see it. How would you describe this?
In the upper left corner of the screen it's 1 box, and in the lower right corner of the screen is the second box.
Yeah, very good. Sure, that would work definitely.
The same too, and they're white. They're adjacent.
Okay. Your first one was good. Yeah. So the upper left corner of the screen is 1 box and another box. Yeah. Okay. And then you can also talk maybe about these corners. They're almost touching, right? So what's this corner? The lower right corner of the first box. The corner is almost touching the